Balik na po kayo. Balik na po sa labas.
Sabi niyo eh. Okay, before we continue, we would like to acknowledge and announce some donors and who
harang sa
this would not be possible.
Thank you again, Utel. It provides internet services at may mga packages po sila doon. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-register, just to inform you, free registration po yun. May chance po kayo manalo ngayong araw ng 1 Samsung tablet. Doon po sa nila, doon sa marketing stage. And give them a 5-star rating. Also with a positive review para na-review.
Okay, also we would like to acknowledge and thank you, Hermana 2025, Mr. Marlon and Mrs. Emily Durana, presented by Mr. Herman and Mrs. Ama Valenzuela, Mr. Rene Vigo and Mrs. Coraline Kiel, Mr.
Nick John and Rosemary Coco.
and Miss Edel, Kalinling Alvis, and Miss Margie Cristobal.
Also, yung mga hermana po natin, pinapasalamatan po natin si Mr. Edwin and Mrs. Janet Sari, si Miss Susan Mosley, Mrs. Arlene Mosley, at si Miss Penny Jabir.
We would like also to thank yung pong ating medical team. Ngayon, yung Philippine Bar and Caregiver Society and the Water Training Development Center. Thank you!
Thank you po!
Okay?
Na, ang mga upuan ng mga sister.
Nakabantay ka, huwag kang umupo dyan. Huwag kami yung malupit, oh.
Papasok po
So,
na sila.
we would like to acknowledge and say
Uuwi na sila kasi yung upuan kinuha natin eh.
Mrs. Arlene and Mr. Nestor Muslim, Mr. Edwin and Mrs. Janet Sally, El Shaddai, DWXI, Daritong, Mr. Greg Lee and Mrs. Helen Ventura, Mr. Jojo and Mrs. Jerry Canlas, Mrs. Ellen Ramos, Barel Sandigan, Mr. Eagles Club, and Mr. Eduardo Hernandez.
Okay, are you ready to watch this next performance?
Sapakin mga puwet.
Okay, a few background. The story of Princess Juana and the veneration of the child Jesus in Panay. This story of Princess Juana, this story tells of Princess Juana, a Panay chieftain's daughter who initially resisted Spanish colonization. However, after receiving a gift of the Santo Niño child Jesus from the Spanish priors, she experienced a vision that profoundly changed her. Princess Juana became a permanent believer in Christianity
baon wala naman ni.
The Santorini became a central figure in the religious practices, symbolizing spiritual rebirth and unity. The story highlights how the introduction of Christianity to the Philippines, while initially met with resistance, eventually became deeply ingrained in the culture, as evidenced by vibrant festivals like Dinagyang and Ati-Atihan. Their choreographers, Mr. Roderick Salido and Mr. Jesse John Rascarin, drum leaders, Mr. Erwin Palacios and Mr. Reggie Abelio. Acknowledgement also to their KIB President, Mr. John Pastrana, KIB Chairman, Mr. Melcher Osano, KIB Board of Directors and Officers, ATDC Management, ATDC Warriors, KIB Drummers. This group of performers, sila po, FYI lang, sila po yung defending champion last year.